The Realme Neo 8, launched early 2026 in China, is positioned as a flagship killer or high-performance mid-range smartphone, specifically designed for gaming and power users. It distinguishes itself with top-tier performance specs, including the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, a massive 8,000 mAh battery, and a 165Hz display, at a more accessible price point than premium flagships. Here are the pros, cons, special features and an overall conclusion of this phone. 4 pros. Unmatched battery life and charging. The 8,000 mAh battery, paired with 80W charging, provides exceptional battery longevity, often highlighted as a standout feature. Extreme performance. Utilizing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.1 storage, it delivers benchmark-topping performance. Gaming-centric features. The 165Hz Samsung Sky screen and specialized PC handheld mode, allowing Steam account logins, make it an elite device for mobile gaming. Flagship-grade display and cameras. The 6.78-inch 1.5K OLED display boasts high brightness, 6,500 nits peak, while the camera system includes a capable 50MP periscope telephoto lens, which is rare in this segment. Premium build and durability. Features like IP66/IP68/IP69 water resistance make it durable. 4 cons. Availability. As of early 2026, it is primarily available in China, with international availability uncertain. Heavy usage requirement. To make the most of the 165Hz screen, high refresh rate content must be supported by gaming apps. Design subjectivity. While offering a modern, semi-transparent design with RGB lighting, it might be too aggressive for some users. For special features. Titan battery technology. Using silicon carbon high-density materials, Realme packed a massive 8,000 mAh cell into a body only 8.3 mm thick. It is rated to last 3 days for average users. Awakening Halo RGB, a customizable RGB light ring on the back that pulses for notifications, calls, and GT mode during gaming. 3D ultrasonic fingerprint, a high-end sensor that works even with wet or greasy hands, a rarity in the mid-high segment. 7000mm superscript 2 VC cooling. One of the largest vapor chambers in its class, designed to keep the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 from throttling during 165 FPS gaming. Bypass charging, allows you to power the phone directly from the wall without charging the battery, reducing heat during intense gaming sessions. Overall conclusion. The Realme Neo 8 is a specialist device. It isn't trying to be the best camera phone in the world, nor the thinnest. Instead, it targets the endurance gamer, someone who wants a console-like experience at 165Hz and doesn't want to look for a charger until the 3rd day. If you value raw performance, display smoothness, and massive battery life above all else, this is arguably the best value for money smartphone of 2026. However, if you prefer a lightweight device or ultra-fast 10-minute charging, you might look toward the thinner Realme GT series.